Hello guys, today write code in all method, add product assin, delete, get product assin, update assin, all method, write code all method in all method, and procedure call. First of all, declare this this line. First of all, declare this line DB context. DB context get data from DB DB. DB context get from DB context get from DB context class. DB context class. DB context class pass value by constructor from into constructor ctr constructor copy paste paste by this constructor get all the 30b context by this constructor. DB context class from get from DB context class this page DB context class inherited from DB context. DB context built-in method has some built-in method. This method get connection string by default connection. Default connection get from default app settings app setting default connection app settings default uh, connection from DB data source SQL server name SQL server open SQL server already opened our SQL server. Copy the server name and paste this data source. Sorry, copy SQL server. This server copy and paste here. Initial catalog database name demo 1 user ID star password SQL password হচ্ছে user ID সা password 123 connect হ্যাঁ already connected তাহলে password declare 123 SQL server connection already complete. create a database as the same name in our SQL server. SQL server database. Expanding our database. Create a database. Right click on database and new database. Database name. Okay. Created database. Expand this database. Table name as same product class. Create a table by query. Create a table product এবং field product ID identity one start from one primary key product name embarker length 50 product description type embarker length 50 product price type integer product stock integer create execute create 1 2 3 password sorry আমার database this table save in database store procedure demo 1 database name 1 this table save database name demo 1 create execute again command refresh this database expand table already created this product table. Thank you so much.